everyone, welcome to day 199 of a Stitch a Day 365 Days Crochet Challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the Katherine wheel lace. So this lace is done by creating the first row separately and then creating the second row separately and attaching it to the first row as we crochet. Okay. To start off, start making 12 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Into the fifth chain from your hook, make 1 double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Into the fifth one, make 1 double crochet stitch. Again, crochet 12 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Again, into the fifth one, make 1 double crochet. You can do this to any length that you want. I'm going to do 2 more times. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Into the fifth one, make 1 double crochet. Okay, so I'm making 4 of such wheels, and to turn your work you have to again crochet 12 and make a double triple crochet into these loops here. Okay, now chain 1, again make a double triple crochet. Again chain 1, make a double triple crochet. You have to do this until you have 7 double triple crochets. So that's my third one. 4. Make sure to chain 1 in between. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 1 and 7. It should look something like this. Now move on to the next loop and again start making 7 double triple crochets. Chain 1 and make 6 more double triple crochets. Okay, so I'm going to do this 7 double triple crochets separated by a chain 1 till the end of this loop, and I'll meet you back once I get here. Reach till the end of the row. So this is how my work looks like at the moment. Okay, so now we are going to turn and crochet to the other side. So to do this, you have to chain 5, make 1 slip stitch onto the last chain, which is right here. Again chain 5, and you're going to make 7 more triple crochets into each of these loops till here. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Make 7 double triple crochets separated by a chain 1 into each of these loops. Okay, so I'm going to do this till the end of the row and I will meet you back at the next row. Completed till the end of the row. This is how my work looks like. Now you have to crochet 5 chains and then slip stitch onto the, see this is the starting 12 chains we made. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, into the sixth one make a slip stitch. So this completes one full row. Okay, now chain 1 and make, into the 5 chain space here you're going to make 7 single crochets. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now into the chain 1 space here you're going to make 3 single crochets. 2 and 3. Make 4 chains and a slip stitch on top of the triple crochet. So this kind of creates a picot stitch. Okay, again make 3 single crochets and then chain 4, slip stitch on top of the triple crochet, creating a picot stitch, and 3 single crochets on top of the chain in between. So it should look something like this. Okay, so you have to continue making this 2 more times. So basically, except on the first and the last double triple crochet, you'll be making a picot stitch on all the other double triple crochets. So each of this, either side of the wheel will have 5 picot stitches. Okay, so once you have done the 5 picot stitches, you're going to make 3 single crochets. Okay, and directly move on to the next chain 1 space and again make 3 single crochets. Okay, that kind of eliminates the first double triple there, and you are again going to start with the picot stitches. Again make 3 single crochets and make a 4 chain picot stitch. Again into the next chain space make 3 single crochets. So I'm going to do this till the end of the row and I'll meet you back once I get to the chain 5 space. So I've completed till the end of this row. This is my last 7 double triple crochet of this wheel. Now I'm going to make 7 single crochets onto the chain 5 space here. Seven single crochets onto the chain 5 space on the other side. Okay, and I'm back at the 7 triple crochet chain 5 space. So whatever I did on this side, I'll have to do it on the other side as well. And you have to make the first row and cut it off. Again start a new one. So this first row is done separately, and while we are making the second row, we will be attaching it to the first row. So since I already have a swatch, I'm going to show how to attach it to this one. So in your case, you'll have to do the first one. That is, you have to again start making 3 single crochets in between the chain spaces and 5 picot stitches in between till you reach this portion here where you will again be making 7 single crochets. Okay, so I'm going to show you how we are going to attach these two things. My row and this swatch are done with two different kinds of needle, but the stitch count is same. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to attach it. Okay, so I've done 7 chains here, 7 single crochets into this. Now I'm going to make 3 single crochets. Now make 4 chains and a picot stitch on top of this. Again 3 single crochet. It is same as the other side, except you will have to join the second row while you're making the third picot stitch. Okay, so here I am at the third picot stitch, chain 4. Okay, now find the third picot stitch in your next row, insert your hook into the picot stitch and make a slip stitch. Sorry, instead of chain 4, chain 2, insert your stitch into the picot stitch of the next row, again chain 2 and make a slip stitch here. Again you're going to continue everything else just the same, except when you come to the third picot stitch on your next wheel, you will be attaching it to this row. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so as you can see, these two are attached. You just have to connect like this each of these stitches. The middle picot stitch, you'll be connecting it to the new row. You can make as many rows as you want and join as you go while making the lace. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section below, or you can DM us directly on our Instagram page. So if you make something out of this, this would be a great stitch for a table runner or anything that has this lazy texture. It can be a curtain. I mean, on top of my mind. Now, so do try this out, and if you have made anything out of it, you tag us on our Instagram page. I would definitely love to see it. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch.